paano na-perfect ni Sandy yung recipe ni Andox?
Actually, hindi naman ako ang bumibili ng manok. Sila.
Opo.
Common sense, you don't have to be a doctorate degree holder to be a good lechon manok cook, di ba? Tingnan mo kung anong reaction ng customer kasi sila yung bumibili. Pag sinabi nila, time came when wala nang maiangal yung customer. Kasi araw-araw nagko-complain. Mamaya-maya hinihintay ko yung complaint, wala na akong nadidinig. Sabihin nila, Sandy, pahingi nga, sarap ng manok mo ah. Ganun na lang, nung nakita ko yung ganun, I kept the formula. In other words, my formulation was made by so many Filipinos, by so many clients, na nag-evolve, nag-morph into a very good product.
Ang tawag yata nila sa English dun yung customer-centric kayo no? Sa feedback. Kasi sila nga yung bumubuhay sa inyo.
Kasi maganda na kasi yung taste buds ko. I also would like to listen to others and this is a very good quality of a leader and an entrepreneur. You listen. Kung ikaw ay napakagaling na, hindi ka na matututo, boss. Hanggang ngayon, kailangan makinig tayo sa kapwa because we are not a monopoly of good ideas. There's so many people there with good ideas we can learn from.